Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone, and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. At first, you have to unroll the list of all apps and reach Settings. Then find and select Passwords and Accounts, and click on Google or Add Account, and here select Google. Now it's time to provide your email address or phone number, so smoothly do it here. If you don't have your account yet, click on Create Account and then follow these steps presented in the instruction. And then provide your password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, click on Next, and then you will be in this panel. Here you need to set if this device is yours or if it belongs to your kid. Use the switchers and click on Next. Now read all Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, also the privacy policy, and if you do agree with all the above, just click on I agree. Tap on More Than, Accept, and that's it. As you can see, your account has been added. So that would be all. This is it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.